guys, this is Gus with Bandsaw Machine Tools. Today we're going to be showing a saw, the UE460 model. It's an 18-inch saw. I'm going to show you a few features. I'm going to show you the capacity as well. This is an 18-inch saw at 90 degrees, 17.5 at 45, 60, 11.6. If you're doing rectangular pieces, it's going to do 17 by 23. I'm going to also show you how easy it is to adjust the guide for the blade. As you can see, it has the guide rail, and also it has the pin slot. So in the future, down the road in the years, this is not going to deform, it's not going to move, it's going to be easy to adjust time and time again. You can see the heavy build on the machine. It's a heavy duty machine, able to do everything that you need out of the saw. I'm going to show you how to do a miter cut. You're going to release the lock, you're going to move it, and the angle is going to be showing in the control. You can move the whole thing in just one move. You're going to get it to the desired degree. Then lock it in place and start the machine. So you can see after the job is done, the machine will go up by itself, open the clamp, and it's ready to do the next cut. This is how you do it. So you can see it's super easy to remove the burr on the material, just a clear cut. See how easy it is. Put it back to 90 degrees, lock it in place. Have a full stroke clamp as well. You're going to be able to clamp the material all the way through. And those are a few of the features on this machine. To be able to adjust and move the table so you can do the double miter, we're going to raise the blade so the table is out of the way. Move that up. Release the lock, and it's as easy as pulling forward the table. You can tell how easy it is. The guide rails are guiding the table. Keep everything straight. That's how easy it is to go from the front to the back on this table and be able to achieve the double miter. Thank you.